classic cars this morning, but first we're going to take a look at the morning rush hour drive. If you're heading out the door for any of the area bridges, slow moving, getting on the Howard Franklin Bridge, there's traffic reported southbound along I-75 at Cypress Street, every speed still on speed, and it's also 11 so they're not blocking any lanes. Let's take a look at the map this morning. It's overnight roadwork. That's going to slow down your drive overnight, starting at 8 o'clock. 2 lanes will be closed under Counselor Class 54 at I-75. That's going to slow down drivers from 8 p.m. until 5 a.m. But the rush hour drive, I don't think would be too bad if you had to deal with one of these hot rods. Absolutely not. It's the second annual Old Home Harbor Car Show. It's going on this weekend, and the head friend Andy will tell us all about it.
Yep, it's going on, and the proceeds benefit Susan G. Coleman, 3 days this year, the 60-mile walk. Currently still have all makes, all models, all years. We're going to do giveaways all day long. Registration is from 8 in the morning until 10, and then the show will be from 10 to 5 with awards about 3:30.
And you said you're going to have about 100 cars out there, right? This is just a few of the cars that people will be there.
Right. What you're seeing right now is just a few of the cars that we're going to be on display on Florida Avenue, but right now we have pre-registered 100 cars. We're expecting between probably 250 and 300.
So on the day of the car show, people can just basically roll up with their classic hot rod car and sign up for it.
Yep.
And there's a prize for win.
Yep. We will give away 90 awards that day, and cars will be judged on make and production year, and then there will be some best ofs, and then obviously a best of show, and then some sponsored trophies as well.
Well, I'd like to meet the gentleman who drives this Firebird, because I love to drive it.
I bet you Bob would let you drive that home. He's getting the keys. He's getting the keys.
Just throw the keys over. All right. I just want a new car. Well, you can check out the classic car show in Old Palm Harbor downtown, right?
Yes.
Saturday, May 1st, 9 to 5.
Yes. Well, no, registration is from 8 to 10. The show is from 10 to 5. Spectators are free.
Where are you ladies headed?
We don't know. I think we're going to just take a cruise. Hop Andy.
I don't think the rush hour will have any problem if I was driving home in one of these. What do you think? Oh, never.
That was awesome.
That was perfect.
Hey, go on. Didn't even mix the paint.
Yeah.
No.